Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos, helping you learn English fast. A couple of weeks ago I took my wife and kids down to the seaside. We drove a couple of hours to the south coast to a place called Dungeness, and it was a lovely hot day. So when we got to the beach I stripped off down to my shorts. Now, I'm not really very good with heat. I can't handle extreme heat. I burn very easily. I'm much more of a cold weather person. And on this particular day, I forgot to put sunscreen on my legs. I remembered it on my face and on my arms, but I forgot my legs. The next morning, when I woke up, my legs were burning and they'd turned a kind of purplish red colour. And they were even slightly swollen. My daughter saw this and said, "Ouch, that looks painful." I said, "Yeah, it is, but I've only myself to blame." In other words, I'm the only person who's responsible for this mistake. It's all my own fault. In the same way, if someone goes out and drinks too much and the next morning they wake up feeling terrible and they say to you, "Oh, be kind to me today, I feel dreadful." Hey, you've only yourself to blame, okay? You're the person who's responsible for your terrible hangover. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with friends and subscribe to our channel. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about examples of when you had only yourself to blame.